Good day everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jarjar and I will be cooking Hor Fun again today. The simple ingredients are Hor Fun, lettuce, garlic, fish cake, pork loin, prawns and crab sticks. As the oil heats up, fry some garlic for flavor. Add the Hor Fun and stir fry till it is soft. Add some oyster sauce. And black soy sauce for taste and color. Stir and mix the Hor Fun well with the sauces. Ensure that the Hor Fun is cooked and dish it up for later use. Wash the pan and boil some water. Add in the lettuce and fried bean curd sheets, which is a last minute add-on. When the lettuce and bean curd sheets are soft, add the fish cake, prawns and crab sticks. Finally, add the pork loin. Sprinkle some mushroom seasoning. A little bit of black soy sauce for color. The cornstarch mix to thicken the Hor Fun broth. And a dash of pepper to spice it up a little. A final stir and the Hor Fun is ready to be served. Here's another bowl that I prepared for my own lunch. Yummy! Thank you for watching my cooking video. Please like, share and subscribe. See you soon!